Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop, and I am doing a very rare unboxing video. So, me and Santa Slowdog are doing a Christmas build-off. He contacted me on Instagram and asked if I was interested in doing it. I'm not a huge fan of build-offs as far as one-on-ones, but I like the premise of it. I thought it was a great idea. Part of the rules were he sends me a casting, I send him a casting. We developed a theme, which was a hot rod mashup, meaning anything that's like a pre-60 car or casting mashed up with something else. So I sent mine out, and then I guess on December 15th we do the unboxing video, and then later on, right before, I actually have to look, I have no idea, I've got I can actually post my build video for the one that I built. So I've got a box, came in, I only cut it open. So let's dive in and see what we have. Let me turn this way. There we go. All right. So, we got some brown paper. Hopefully he didn't send me anything odd, like, you know, a bag of dicks or something. But anyway, that. I got a card. I'm going to open that one separately. Let's see, now I feel bad because I thought we were just doing the thing. Sent me a van. Oh, this Nomad is unreal. 57 Nomad. I didn't know we were doing other stuff. And another, oh, see, I like these. Yeah. I like this. I want to customize one of these. Nice. Bel Air off-road. Nice lead sled Merc. He is crazy. He really shouldn't have done all this. Ah. And there it is. Look at that. It's a Johnny Lightning, right? Yep. Johnny Lightning. Vintage stuff. I like that. '64 Chevelle. I haven't seen that color before. I like that. And I thought I had all the Chevelles, but apparently not. Oh, that's cool. I like the motor in that. With the side pipes. That's brilliant. More build fodder. That's cool. Merc Pro Street. Nice. Another Johnny Lightning. This would look cool with big ass tires on it. Some Tootsie Toys. Dune Buggy's cool. I've never seen these. Gorgeous. I really wish you wouldn't have sent all this stuff. Oh, I've had this in my hands like 5 times and I keep putting them down. This is perfect. And then this is his build off, I'm assuming. Open last. Good call on my part, right? Now, can I open this without breaking it? Alright, so I got that off. If you notice, he's got his sticker right here. And this is a good idea. This is a little rubberized mat stuck down. It's brilliant. I think I'm going to steal that. Here we go. It's like one of those Russian nesting dolls. Okay. Trying to do this carefully. I'm actually not doing it to build anticipation. It's just being careful. There we go. There we go. Rat Fink. That's a brilliant idea. See, could they come here? Put this on there? Another idea. I would have never thought. Huh. I love the idea of cutting the door down. Rat Fink decal here. Got the nice sloped grill from this casting. And side pipes. That's brilliant. That is the perfect mashup. This is what the whole challenge embodied. That's perfect. And then you put it on here. And do that. And now I have the perfect casting. I love this. So make sure you go over there and check out his channel. Give him a like. Give him a subscribe. This is way too much. I feel like a piece of shit now. So, alrighty. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good Christmas. And I'll catch you on the next one.